The weather in Japan is very bad.
2. Is the storm big?
Yeah, yes, storm big.
3. How many people died?
30 people die.
4. How many people were injured?
More than 1,500 people are injured.
5. Does it snow a lot?
Yeah, it snows a lot.
6. How high is the snow?
13 inches of snowfall.
7. Did the snow fall on many areas?
No, the snow falls on one area.
8. What was the area hit by in 2011?
The area was hit by tsunami in 2011.
Can everyone get to work?
No, everyone cannot get to work.
10. What happened to the flights in Japan?
The flights in Japan are cancelled.
11. Was it easy to get to Tokyo's center?
No, not easy to get to Tokyo Center.
12. What happened to the power lines?
Strong winds to the power lines.
13. How many houses had no electricity?
More than 20,000 houses have no electricity.
14. Is the weather getting better?
Yes, the weather is getting better.
Will it get warmer?
Yeah, it will get warmer.